choosing the best video recording editing software for beginners. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, the go-to place for completely things creative. Today, we're diving into the world of video recording editing and discussing the best video editing package for beginners. Whether you're a content creator, aspiring filmmaker, or just someone looking to enhance their videos, we've got you covered. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that support button and ring the notification bell so you never overly out on our creative content. Now, let's get started. With so many options come out there, it can be overwhelming for beginners to take the correct video editing software. But fear not, we've narrowed a pop to a few that are user-friendly, powerful, and perfect for those just start their video editing journey. Segment 1, Adobe Premiere Rush. First upward on our number is Adobe Brick Premiere Rush. It's a simplified edition of Adobe Brick Premiere Pro, designed with beginners in mind. With an intuitive interface, drag-and-drop editing, and built-in templates, it's perfect for those who are new to video recording editing. Plus, it seamlessly syncs with unusual Adobe fanciful cloud apps, giving you a smooth editing experience. Segment 2, iMovie. For all you Apple users out there, iMovie is a fantastic option. It comes pre-installed on Mac and iOS devices, qualification and easily accessible. iMovie is known for its simplicity, yet it offers powerful features like 4K editing, putting green screen effects, and more. Let's take a quick look at how user-friendly iMovie is. Segment 3, Shotcut. Now, for those looking for a release and open-source option, Shotcut is a great choice. It may not have the most svelte interface, but it's incredibly varied and offers advanced features. If you're ready to research more options and don't take care of a bit of a learning curve, Shotcut might be the perfect suit for you. Segment 4, Filmora. Filmora is another fantastic option for beginners. It strikes a perfect poise between simple-mindedness and functionality. With a wide range of built-in effects, transitions, and an easy-to-use interface, Filmora is a great choice for those who require to create professional-looking videos without an infused learning curve. So there you have it, a roundup of the best video recording redaction software system for beginners. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, or looking for a free option, there's something for everyone. Which one are you mad to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't leave to share this video if you found it helpful and partake in it with your fellow ambitious editors. Until succeeding time, keep creating and stay inspired. Thanks for joining us today on my channel. If you have whatever questions or suggestions for future videos, spin them in the comments below. Don't leave to give us a thumbs up if you found this video recording helpful and subscribe for more creative content. Stick tempered for our next video, where we'll be diving into more tips, tricks, and reviews to help you on your creative journey. Until then, keep editing, maintain creating, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe for more inventive content. Watch our latest video.